How to transfer GCredit to GCash Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer GCredit to GCash Wallet. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer your GCredit to GCash Wallet, you need to open up GCredit or GCash. After opening up GCash, you need to head over to the View All section at your screen. And there you're going to scroll down until you are able to find the option called Para Outlet. You're just going to scroll down until you'll find Para Outlet under Manage. And when you click on Para Outlet, you'll be taken to this page. And here you're going to click on this option called Tag Pondo with the plus icon at the blue box under Available Balance. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to next page where you need to choose the amount that you want to transfer. Here you may just select one of the amount that you want to transfer. And after selecting, you'll be taken to next page where you can select an installment plan. Just select one of the plans. After that, you can either select 12 or 9 months. After selecting it, you'll be taken to next page. Go on with the process of checking out. Just go on with paying out, and your money should be paid successfully from GCash to GCash Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.